You don't need to be a coupon expert to save big on groceries. Here are 5 simple strategies that actually work. No clipping, no chasing deals, no spending your Sunday with scissors. Welcome to Money Made Simple. Most people skip coupon, not because they don't save money, but because they take time most of us don't have. Good news. There's a faster way to cut your grocery bill, and it has nothing to do with coupons. Strategy 1. Plan your meals before you shop. When you know what you're cooking this week, you stop wandering the aisles, tossing random things into your cart. A plan keeps you focused, and focused shopping means fewer impulse buys. Strategy 2. Make a list and stick to it. Your list is your boundary. If it's not on the list, it doesn't go in the cart. Simple as that. Strategy 3. Buy store brands instead of name brands. Most of the time, it's the same product in a different package, just without the brand name markup. Your wallet won't notice the difference. Your taste buds probably won't either. Strategy 4. Shop with a full stomach. Hungry shopping is dangerous shopping. Everything looks appealing when you're hungry, and that's exactly when impulse buys sneak into your cart. Strategy 5. Buy in bulk for items you use often, but only the things you know you'll actually use. Bulk buying only saves money if it doesn't end up wasted in the back of your pantry. Bonus tip. Check the unit price. That's the price per ounce or gram, usually printed on the shelf tag. It's the easiest way to compare which size or brand is actually the better deal. Your challenge? Try just one of these strategies on your next grocery trip and see how much you save. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.